do have a cowbell that you don't know what to do with, then here's what you should do with it. I like this one. I know it sounds complicated and big and scary. Panic not, it's just triplets. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right hand goes on to the hi-hat. Emphasize this left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And would you look at that? A backbeat has emerged. Every other snare drum, make that nice and quiet and ghosty just because it gives the groove definition, makes it sound good. Dynamic variation! This is where it gets a little bit gnarly. Because that groove by itself is pretty damn cool. But we're going to work in groups of 3. This right hand is doing 3 notes kind of per cycle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. First one's going to be a hi-hat. The next 2 are going to be cowbell, because it sounds cool. The bass drum's coming down with the hi-hat and then the first cowbell, but not the second one. That's the tricky bit. And don't you go losing that definition in the snare drum either, otherwise I might cry a little bit. I might. This groove, cool by itself. You can get away with that too. But because I seem to just want to cause myself and you pain, I changed the 4th beat, because it makes the rhythm sound cool. Basically, I just swapped this group of 3 on its head. So instead of going hi-hat, cowbell, cowbell, I just go cowbell, hi-hat, hi-hat. Yeah. I'd practice that motion by itself before you try and stick it back in the groove. But there it is, a goddamn cool cowbell groove. Have a great day. Big love. Mwah.